Welcome to 7140 40 Banks Road, located in Ashley Park in the small town of Harmony, Florida. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is located close to Ashley Park's pool and is in walking distance to Harmony's town square and our unique tunnel that connects Harmony Middle School and Harmony High School. Hi, I'm Janine Corcoran, resident of Harmony and broker for the Corcoran Connection. Come on in and let's take a look. If you love the maintenance-free lifestyle, then you'll love living in this condo. Once you are upstairs, the condo is all on one floor. The kitchen is open to the living room and dining area and has stainless steel appliances, newer sink and faucet, backsplash, and a nice sized pantry. The master bedroom is located at the top of the stairs to the left and has an ensuite that has a newer glass shower door, added tile on the walls, dual sink, and a walk-in closet. Thanks so much for visiting our listing. And for other great listings in the Harmony, St. Cloud, Lake Nona, and Central Florida area, please call us at 407-953-9118 or visit us online at thecorcoranconnection.com.